Good morning, guys. So, usually when I wake up in the mornings, first thing is my specs. I'm really blind without it. And then usually I will spend some time on my phone checking my messages. I always like to see my husband sends me a message to say he arrived safely at work. And I will browse a little bit on Facebook. And I will also do my Bible reading online in the mornings. So that is what I am busy doing. I actually woke up really early this morning with a lot of pain. So I have been up before taking some painkillers. So the next thing that is first on my list is to open the curtains and let the sunlight in. This is my sunniest room in my whole house, which I love. Unfortunately, our summers gets really hot. That's why I have very thick curtains, and then letting in some fresh air. I also go and open my front door and my side doors so that there's a lovely breeze that goes throughout the house. Next, I have to take out my pigeon. I still have him. I raised him since a baby. If you can go and check out the other vlogs, there he is. He still stays in the bathroom. I have to actually build him a cage outside. We want to keep chickens as well, so because I'm not sure if he will know how to survive on his own, to be honest. I have to let him go, but I don't know if he's gonna be okay. He obviously didn't have his parents to teach him everything he needs to know to survive. There he is. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Good morning, Liefie. Hey, wat gaan je op mijn klim nou niet? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hey. Morgen, Liefie. Hello, Liefie. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Fuzzy. 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 Hello. Hello. Good morning. Good morning, Leafy. Hello. Hello. Good morning. Say hello. Hey. 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 Oh, jumpy, hey. 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 Come. So as you saw, and then after the pigeon, it's the other two bird babies, my ringneck and my cockatiel, that will not stop screaming until I come and greet them. Then it is time for vitamins and my hormone replacements and all of that. I also have to drink my glucophage and my anti-inflammatory for the day. And then after that, it is time to load and unload the dishwasher and get it cleaned up in the kitchen. I use the Dove moisturizing soap in the mornings to wash my face. Just doing a ponytail today because I am not feeling too well at all, and it's just less hassle. I use the Rooibos range from Clicks for my face. I have been using the Rooibos range since I've been very young. And finally, time for some breakfast, which is oats and some fruits and nuts. And I'll show you what I have for lunch. And here was lunch. It was just meatballs and 3-bean salad. Hi guys, so today is Thursday, as you saw, and I had to go and pay my bills, and I have been struggling. I told you, I think a year ago already, that my stove has broken, so I had to buy a new one, even though it's inconvenient in this time to spend any extra money. Even my husband's work is going on short time as well. But unfortunately, stove is a necessity, so I had to go and do that as well today, and I'm going to show you the unboxing. So with this virus, if anybody had to do a delivery or come in my house, I have to sanitize everything. So we haven't had takeaways in 4 months, and I couldn't stop the cravings tonight. So this is what we're getting. Okay guys, that is it for my 2-day vlog, and I hope you enjoyed it. I love seeing people's routines for some other reason. It's very calming to me. So if you enjoyed this, please like, share and subscribe. And I also do travel vlogs from time to time if you like seeing things like that. Okay guys, bye.